Dreams didn't make us kings. Dragons did.
They say she's powerful, close to the gods.
We can kill her.
You sound like you relish the prospect.
I can't imagine the wounds he inflicted on you that night. And then you had to survive banishment. I'm afraid of her. I used to hate her. But now I feel on the sun.
She's a uniquely powerful asset we can scarcely afford to lose.
And there are no words left for us to speak. You made your choice.
You and I, we can be enemies or friends. You did what you had to do. You must know that in your heart.
You can't have my heart.
You're so beautiful.
And who will ride with me? Who will be my brother?
Do your duty. If you ask me, his legacy is poison.
In the name of all that is good and just in this land, I crown you queen.
Hail to the Queen!